Hello, boys and girls.
Good afternoon.
Boys and girls. I am
Walking this way.
on my way to Target and then Goodwill
Yes, ma'am.
because we're gonna go
Thrifting.
thrifting. It's my first time thrifting in Honolulu, so
Oh, yes, ma'am.
it'll be fun. Sydney's also here, but she's like on her phone.
Yeah, Cindy's. Oh, I just.
My mom
Your kid, I'm
texted
sorry.
me.
I wish my mom texted me. No, I'm kidding.
My Halloween stickers. You're welcome.
She's like, I ate it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Ew, I did it so good.
You did it well.
You need to start a vlog.
Sid.
I hate you guys.
Okay, hello. So I'm back from my Target / thrift trip. So I'll give you guys a little haul of what I bought. So I guess I'll start with Target. First thing I bought were earbuds, just because the ones that I have broke. And then I got a workout shirt, just because it's the AC in the gym is broken right now, and like cotton shirts were not cutting it for me. So I was working out in a sports bra all the time. But, which is fine, but you know, like sometimes I need a shirt, I feel like, so I bought a shirt. I got a little pillow for myself. I felt like I needed a pillow. And then the last thing I bought was a rug. Let me show you guys a rug. There, look at my rug. I was just finding that like the floor was feeling really gross, and I walk around my room with slippers, but sometimes, you know, like I want to take my shoes off, so I got a rug so I can actually stand barefoot now somewhere in my room. Yay! Now I'm gonna do my thrift haul. First thing I got were these shorts. They're like high-waisted, and they're kind of almost like cargo shorts. They remind me of little boy shorts, like maybe like shorts that like 5-year-old boys wear, and they're super cute. I got them for $6, and they're high-waisted. So the other thing I got from Goodwill was this dress that's like a little light flowy dress. I bought it for $5, and I just thought it'd be good as like a cover-up or even just to wear out and stuff. But yeah, that was my whole little shopping trip. Now I gotta go back to studying. I have 3 midterms this week. Thanks for joining me, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Edit. Josh thinks he's not a homie. Let me tell you, Josh, you're a homie, okay? Edit number 2. There was a fire in our building, and Logan was yelling at me to film it, so here is the footage for that. Keep in mind, this is the second time it went off, and it's 5 in the morning.
Walk down New York Line 304.
Round 2.
You look like you. I gotta get the hat too.
So yeah, that was my weekend.